Good morning, children. Today we are going to see appreciation of the poem. Please listen. Students, as we know that we must write appreciation in paragraph format, not point wise. But whenever we write an appreciation of the poem, we must keep some points in our mind, such as title, poet, rhyme scheme, figures of speech, central idea of the poem. Along with the given points, we must write an appreciation of the poem in paragraph format. Let's read it. Title: Appreciation of the poem. Please listen. The title of the poem is Please Listen. It catches the attention of a reader that the poet has something to say. The poem has been written by an anonymous poet. It means unknown poet. This poem does not have rhyme scheme and has been written in free verse. It has a colloquial and conversational language. The tone of the poem is pleading and complaining. The poet has used various figures of speech to give the greater poetic effect. The figures of speech such as alliteration, repetition, tautology, etc. are used in this poem to give the greater poetic effect. The central idea of the poem is one should be a good listener. This poem highlights the art of listening. It states that listening should involve understanding and patience and should not be followed by advices. The narrator mentions that sometimes a person just wants to share things and may not need advice or solutions. He further says that God is ideal listener. Moreover, the poet said that we all need to be more sympathetic and learn the art of listening. Students, in this way, today we have seen an appreciation of the poem. Please listen. Students, you have to write this appreciation in your classwork very carefully. Thank you.